Okay, so this is for our Canvas users. I don't know if you had encountered the issue that you can see the bar in this section and scroll down. Um, Even when I already uploaded a couple images and trying to see the images below on this section, it's um, it's not showing, so it's not helping with the bar. So one of the things that I found that it works for me is I put the cursor on this area and put pressure with this finger and then scroll down. Let's say, see, you can go and check every single of your images that you have uploaded. If the bar disappears, I just put it back again, put pressure again. An element is the same way. I put it in, it's right there right now. The bar is, my finger is touching. This is without putting pressure. It can also work, or just putting pressure and then scrolling down as well. That way, you can see your images. You can see the rest of your images right there, the finger. See, you can go and check every single of your images that you have uploaded. If the bar disappears, I just put it back again, put pressure again. I don't need this image. I hope this little tip helps you. Have fun.